Hollyland Mars 400.
Bro, yes.
Hello guys, welcome to How To Wednesday. Now we are both in red. Was not planned, but we look lovely, don't you agree? Anyways, on our today's product, we take a look at the Hollyland Mars 400S Pro. My name is Mary and with me is
Yasin.
Yeah, now Yasin is going to take us through the product, its features, and
all about its improvement from the previous models. Today we're going to do it differently. We're not going to unbox it.
Yeah.
So quickly on the Hollyland, as you can see here on our box, it comes with a different design compared to the previous design and models.
Yeah.
It comes on a landscape position, as I can say. The transmitter has a cold mount, which is in red, and the receiver, which is in blue. That can come in handy when you want to differentiate the two. It has a HDMI and SDI port. For those who have DSLR cameras, you're sorted here. You can use it to transmit your feed up to 400 feet, which is around 121.92 meters. The latest feature which Hollyland have updated in their transmitter and receiver is that this receiver and transmitter, you can transmit your feed to two different transmitters, the same feed from one camera, and you can also transmit it to a transmitter and a smartphone or a tablet via the hollyview application, and also you can transmit it from the transmitter to 4 different smartphones via the Hollyland app, which is the hollyview. Another feature of this transmitter which is added, it has also sorted the need for live streamers. So you find people who do live streaming are in a hassle for looking for capture cards, switchers which can output their feed from the switcher to a PC or their machine which they use to live stream. So the Hollyland comes with a USB-C output, which is found on the receiver. So you just use a USB-C, connect it to the receiver and to your machine. So that you just get your footage there quickly and fast. Another feature about it, it has the same built material. It has the OLED for display, same simple menu. You can just scroll using it. The hollyview, it's the application developed by Hollyland. It can allow you to record, freeze frame, capture via your smartphone. Not necessarily you have to be near the camera or anything. So you can have a cameraman, but the DOP can be controlling the shots and also capture, which he or she can later discuss with the crew. Yeah, I think those are the new features.
So yes guys, you've heard it from our G. He has taken us through some of the improved features of the Mars 400S Pro. Who will not want to own one of these? This product is meant for anybody who is in any sort of production, YouTubers, vloggers,
gamers, live streamers, because you find nowadays live streaming is the new trend. People are embracing it very quickly. And this product will help you solve the small problems of cables.
Having to run those long distances. Also live streaming in churches. It also comes in handy, in churches you're running those long cables, people are there dancing, the Holy Spirit comes down, people are praying, they might even
trim on the cable.
Yes, and it becomes
the port of the camera.
Yeah. So guys, remember, if you'd like to purchase this product or any other product from us, kindly visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke.
Or visit our offices at Trans Tower South B, just behind Kenya Institute of Mass Communication.
Yeah, so until next time with another awesome product, bye-bye.